Imagine waking up in 2026, checking your phone and seeing commissions hit your account before you've even had coffee. If you're still paying 97, 297, or even 497 a month just to rent a funnel builder, stop scrolling. That's the past. This is the future of funnels and it starts right now. Stick with me until the end because I'll show you how to lock in 3 powerful bonuses with me. My personal rotator where I literally buy traffic for you. What? The duplicated team bonus that makes you the leader the people want to join, and the evergreen YouTube and Google training that keeps producing leads for years to come. These aren't just extras, they're your shortcut to freedom. Funnels have been around for years, but here's the truth. The ones that worked in 2020 won't work in 2025 and even 2026. The real question is, which funnel is actually built for the future, not just for survival today? This is the Home Business Academy versus Clickfunnels 2025, the future of funnels. At just $25 a month, HBA Funnel Builder isn't just software. It's a future-proof system. It pays you 80% commissions at every single level. And that's the kind of math that builds financial freedom in 2026, not just today. Now pause for a second. Imagine pulling out your phone and seeing $97 drain out of your bank account every single month just to use a funnel builder. That's the past. The future is smarter, leaner, and pays you back. Now ClickFunnels is $97 to $297 a month and it pays 40% commissions. Kajabi is $89 to $499 a month, pays 30% commissions. Go High Level is $97 versus $497 a month, 40% commissions. HBA Funnel Builder is $25 flat. 2 referrals cover your fee and actually put you in profit. So you get $20 per person. 2 people, that's $40, right? You're in profit. And every referral of that is just extra money and icing on the cake. As Dan Kennedy says, whoever spends the most can spend the most to acquire a customer wins. And HBA lets you do that because your costs are so low. Just the other night, right before bed, I got 2 brand new sales from someone I'd never even spoken to. They joined at 2 levels, 25 and 125. That's $20 and $100 residually, month after month after month. And here's the kicker. When you're fully qualified, each customer isn't just one line of income, it stacks. It's 100 plus 20 plus 8. That's $128 residually per customer per month. Now don't get this twisted. I'm not saying you're paying $128 a month. That's what you're getting paid. That's the income potential per customer, stacking month after month. Or start simple and smart. Pair HBA Funnel Builder with the Let's Go app, the health, wellness, and accountability app. And you earn $28 per teammate every single month while you build your way towards a full $128 stack. And if it can bring in strangers from me in 2025, imagine waking up in 2026, checking your phone and seeing those commissions stacking up before you've even had coffee. You're watching Home Business Academy versus ClickFunnels 2025, the future of funnels. And this is exactly what I call it, the future, because the system is already working for me. And it's today, and it's designed to scale into 2026 and beyond. I'm already in profit and qualified at all 3 residual levels. Now when you join at all 3 levels, the Funnel Builder, the Premium level, and the Financial Literacy Academy, you're placed directly into my personal rotator. I'm literally buying traffic for you, sending visitors to your link, building your list. And you can get traffic leads and even potentially sales from me. Okay? Bonus number 2, duplication is on autopilot. The exact same bonus, the done for you rotator, you get that. And you can offer it to your team. That means every new member instantly has leverage. and you become the leader everyone wants to join. Imagine getting $128 per person, and you put them in your rotator, and you get them traffic, and then it just becomes easy, right? You give them an incentive. You become the person everybody wants to join. And then bonus number 3, evergreen YouTube and Google training. This is the training I'm using every single day to dominate YouTube and rank consistently on Google. Now you get this whether you join the $25 funnel level or at the premium level. The videos you posted today in 2025 will still be ranking, pulling leads, and making sales potentially for years to come. Think of it like planting a tree. The roots grow deeper every year and the fruit keeps coming. If this is valuable, hit the subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment below with your 2026 goals. I read and respond to every comment. This is Home Business Academy versus Clickfunnels 2025, the future of funnels. Lock in your bonuses right now by joining all 3 levels through this page, or get in at the $25 funnel builder or the premium level, and you get my evergreen YouTube and Google strategy, right? All my strategies, okay? And I'm going to show you ranking proof in just a moment. And I'm actually going to log into my account and my email account and my bank account and show you proof that I'm making money, okay? Now, if you're starting lean, combine HBA Funnel Builder with the Let's Go app, and you can earn $28 per teammate every single month. As you qualify across all 3 levels, you stack towards 120 across those 2 levels. You stack towards $128 per customer residually. That's the kind of math that compounds, the kind of freedom most people only talk about for the year 2025 and 2026 and beyond. Now, as Russell Brunson proved, funnels are the future, but HBA flipped that model on its head. Instead of you paying them, they pay you. Gary Vee says attention is the new currency, and this system is designed to capture it. Alex Hermosi says irresistible offers win every time, and this bonus deck is engineered to be irresistible. As Jim Rohn always said, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practice every single day. And this system gives you these disciplines on autopilot. Spots in my personal rotator are limited though. Once they're filled, they're filled. The future funnels here, and 2026 is the year you choose freedom over fees. Let's lock arm and build this together. A quick disclaimer before I wrap this up and show you some proof. Okay, that's what you want to see. This is actually working for me, right? And I'm actually making money with this. Okay? And I'm actually ranking with this. I'm sharing my personal experience and results with these tools. This is not financial advice. And I can't guarantee your outcome. Your results will always depend on your own effort, consistency, and ability to follow through. Make sure you do your own due diligence before making any decisions. Okay, now I'm going to show you ranking proof, right? And actually, e-wallet. Okay, there's 650. Remember these numbers: 8305 and 3450. Okay, 650, 8305, and 3450. So I'm going to log into my bank account. Okay, click on it. This is actual real proof. I showed you my emails, and now I'm showing you the things. 3650, 3450, and 8305. Payout, payout, payout. And this one come in automatically, or I like to say auto-magically. I didn't have to do anything to get that 650 because I already had set up the system to pay me on autopilot, right? And then look at this. Hot diggity dancing dog, okay? HBA Funnel Builder, new sale $20 the night before last, and a new sale of $100. Now, I didn't even know this person, okay? That means my system is working for me. I don't have to follow up to these people. My funnel builder can pay me while I'm sleeping, while I'm working, while I'm spending time with the family, while I'm out at dinner, etc., etc. How would you like to be paid like that, right? And now I'm going to show you the actual ranking proof. Okay, the Home Business Academy Let's Go app review. And you can see I'm in incognito. Okay, I'm going to refresh it so you can see this no different. So I don't have to do it every time. Number 2 video, right, from a week ago. Okay, and that's on Google, right? So I'm going to go to the Home Business Academy Let's Go app review, right, on YouTube, right? The second video. And 15 hours ago. And 2 days ago. So multiple videos. Now look at this DFY marketing system, right? On Google. The number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 2 of them are Instagram posts, right? A day ago. The all top 4 results on Google. Okay? And YouTube. Let's go to the same search. Number 2 on Google. Okay? And there's another one. And 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 another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one bites the dust, right? One term, all those results. Financial literacy system, okay? There's 1, 2, I passed one, and then there's another one, okay? And see, when I say me and my teammates, you have to think of you and your teammates, okay? Because we will teach your team how to do this automatically. All you do is plug them into the system, and you can build any single system like whether you have an MLM or affiliate marketing or whatever. Now look at this. Compensation plan. The number 4 video. And there's another teammate too. Okay, we're going to look at, that's my video. Funnels convert. Okay, and that's a teammate right there on shorts. Imagine you and your team doing this though, right? There's the number 1 video. This is an ad. It does not count. And there's another teammate, right? And here is the Home Business Academy, the actual business, okay? You need a funnel builder if you're going to be serious. You need an autoresponder. You need certain tools, okay? Now look at this. By the way, we passed a teammate, right? Yeah, right there. Postcard Lifestyle. 51 minutes ago. 51 minutes ago, he posted this video, right? And he ranked on the first page. And there's me from 1 day ago, right? Can you imagine that? You should. Okay, so now we're going to actually show you ranking proof, right? Well, I'm running out of time. I had to re-record this video. I had it all last time, okay? So let's see. I'm going to show you how easy this is. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. All right. So we're going to click on this title. We're going to do this real quick and dirty. We're going to click on this title right here in the funnel builder. Paste. And now I'm going to go get this share code, right? And watch the video is going to change. And if you click on this right here, you can also help yourself rank, right? You click on this right here and you hit show settings. Then you put the same title in 4 different places, right? Now here's the truth. The people who win in 2026, this is, by the way, how to get to the premium level, how to get traffic, what to do, how to get sales, conversions. And I believe they have a daily mastermind every single day, right? How to get traffic for free. Here's the truth. The people who win in 2026 won't be the ones renting funnel at $97 a month or more. They'll be the one who own the system that pays them back. You can start today with HBA Funnel Builder plus Let's Go app and lock in $28 per teammate every single month and get my training for YouTube and Google, right? How to dominate. Then as you qualify across all levels, that grows into $128 residually per customer, stacking up month after month after month. This isn't about hype, it's about leverage. These tools are proven, the bonuses are in place, and the only thing missing piece is your decision. Freedom doesn't wait, and neither should you. Click the link, claim your spot, and let's build your future together. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay. Get what Jay did today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.